Hello, everyone. My name is Michael Wojtinski, and I'm your Introduction to Philosophy instructor this term. And I would like to talk to you about two things that can result in you getting a 0 on your assignment. These are not the only two things, but these are two that are close to the top, if not at the top of the list. The first one is improper use of references. To properly use references, and you would have covered this in your online learning strategies class, is to have a in-text citation that includes a page number, or if it's not a book, then it includes a paragraph number on a document on the web, or something that would allow me to know what specifically you read or looked at for this assignment. So if you have a reference to a 300-page book, and no indication at all as to which of these 300 pages you read, that indicates that you're claiming to have read something that you haven't. And you will get a 0 for that assignment. This is made worse by extensive use of ChatGPT or similar tools to write assignments for people. Unfortunately, some people do that. And one of the things that ChatGPT is very bad at is doing proper referencing. So the poor referencing is indirect evidence of using AI to write assignments for you. So for example, we have this reference here. The author of this assignment refers to John Hick, and then here refers to the book by John Hick. Which page range, I cannot tell. This tells me that the author has not actually read the book, or if they have, they've provided no evidence for it. This book is 389 pages long, so I need to know which of these pages were read. It helps if there is a short quote to make it very clear. You don't have to have it, but it really will help. And another interesting thing about this one, and this again brings us to how bad ChatGPT can be in doing proper referencing, I was not able to find the 1966 edition for this book. And making up bogus references is something ChatGPT is very good at. And if you're using ChatGPT and it provides references, those references might not even exist. This brings me to a tool I created to compare, to find the mathematical similarity between different assignments. And if two assignments are similar, this can indicate students copying from each other, or students copying from the same source, or students using the same AI tool to write the assignment. And this is the tool that I have put together. It's a fairly simple Python program. I make use of the sklearn library. If you are computer science majors, you may have come across it. It's used extensively with machine learning. And there are just 3 lines that are the core of this. Everything else is there just to provide better formatted output. This is what this program does. And once it's done, this is what I get. It identifies the 2 most similar assignments, the 2 least similar assignments. It will then identify 5 most similar documents and create a heat map. It will also create a similarity and dissimilarity heat map for all of the documents, but it's this one that is really useful. And let's take a look at the two most similar documents that got identified. These are the two documents here. And when I looked at them, I came across these two paragraphs. Beyond the numerical difference, other significant distinctions emerge. Beyond the quantitative distinction, other key distinctions follow. And this is not the only example from these two essays. They're full of that. This tells me the students copied from the same source, copied from each other, or more likely used the same AI tool to write the assignment for them. And when I see this, I will give you a 0. If at that point you decide that no, I do not deserve a 0, I did the work, message me, tell me that no, I did not use AI. And what I will do then is set up a Zoom or similar call with you, and we'll talk a little bit about your essay. And if you can, in real time, explain the key concepts to me in your own words, then you will get a much better mark. That is how I'm going to deal with this. I wish I didn't have to do this. ChatGPT made my work more difficult, and I'm trying to fight against that. This does not mean you should never use ChatGPT, but if you're going to use that not to write your assignments for you, but to do research, to experiment, to maybe create come up with some ideas to work with, but do not use it to write the actual assignment. At worst, you will get a 0. It is possible that you will get written up for plagiarism if there is enough evidence of that, and you will learn nothing. So please don't do that. If you have any questions, if I'm unclear on anything that I have talked about, please message me, please send me an email, and we'll discuss this. I don't want to give out 0s. I will be very happy if everything I said just now will turn out to be irrelevant for this class. That will make me extremely happy. And I like being happy. So please do your own work, do proper references. And if you have any questions, ask me right away. Each term goes by very quickly. 1 week is a short period of time. So if you message me and say, well, Michael, 3 weeks ago I did this, can I correct this? The answer in those cases will be no. I don't like saying no, but I still will do it. This will not make me happy, but I'll still do it. I would like to not do any of those things. I would like everyone to do their own work. I would like everyone to learn. I would like to do everything I can to help you learn. So please, if you have any questions, ask me, and avoid these two things. I know I will be posting other messages with more advice, with more comments, more things to avoid. Thank you very much, and have yourselves a great day.